I remember that time when I did that promising of a train video. I'm at someplace, and the YouTube channel.
Yep.
I have a channel, YouTube,
Poetry and
and we're at a kids museum. I've been volunteering. I volunteer at this club I'm at, and this basically is it. I'll do like an HO video, like when another probably. Hey, when's the next video? I mean, not the video. Next.
Next video.
Yeah, I'm doing the YouTube channel video. What's the next train show that you guys will probably have? HO.
Anything?
What?
I think next week. I think so.
Next week. I ain't promising anything yet. But here's a look at the layout. As I go over this guy's head. And we got this stuff. What I'm planning on doing is a end scale, but I won't promise anything. My brother's going through a phase of everything, wanted to see the motors. Plus, I'm getting a pet bird. Yeah, I don't think I would want my bird to swallow them. But I might still stick with HO. I guarantee there's nothing gonna happen real well. I'll just even here. I just thought this would be interesting to put on YouTube. You guys tune in next time. Bye. And plus, I might do a Lego video.